Hey guys!
So I have this kind of like hardened, it's a bit hardened butter slime, and this is actually from one of my previous videos where I did a DIY clay slime, and those DIY clay slimes are super cute, but the bad thing about them is sometimes you kind of end up with the same slime again and again after you mix it. Like I have this I guess kind of like coffee colored slime right here, and it's actually dried out a little bit, so I'm going to try to revive it. It's kind of stiff. It's not too bad. Like after kind of holding it a little bit and warming it up, it gets a bit stretchier, but it's definitely not in an ideal condition, and there's also kind of fallout just because it's kind of stiff and dry. So I'm just gonna revive it, and I think I'm gonna try to make it a bit more fun color wise, so we'll see what happens. I'm thinking maybe something kind of galaxy themed, so yeah, let's just try to make this slime a little less dry first. Alright, so as you can tell, it is so much plusher and softer, and also look at how stretchy it is now compared to before. And all I did was just apply some clear slime on it, actually some slime that hadn't cleared up, so I decided to use it. And one of the best ways I found to revive butter slime is to use slime that's slightly sticky. And since you're mixing it with this dried butter slime, it will kind of go back to normal. It's like you're having two fails together, and then you come out with a great product like this, just like a normal butter slime. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do galaxy or some kind of galaxy theme somewhat, maybe like a rainbow galaxy, since I do have some rainbow foam beads in here. Not a lot, but I do have some. So I'm gonna go ahead and split up the slime into 3 pieces, and we're gonna color them different colors. Alright, so here are the results, and they turned out a bit more pastel than I wanted, but I guess it could be kind of like a pastel galaxy, and I think the colors are still really nice and cute. So yeah, now let's mix them together. Alright, so here is the end result of my revived slime. Basically, I just took the three different, it turned out more like a pastel galaxy, if it's anything near a galaxy. I mean, there's some star confetti, I guess, so we can count that as a galaxy. But yeah, it turned out to be this really pretty lavender purple color. And as you can see, it's a really nice texture of butter slime now. It's a really fun challenge to just take any old slime you have or any slime that you don't really like anymore and just try to transform it. The process is really fun, and seeing what the end result looks like is also a lot of fun. It has these pretty star sprinkles in them, and it was again a lot of fun to mix together, and it was really pretty marbled. So yeah, here is my transformed butter slime. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.